Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 28 December Sunday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 7, number 11, number 22, number 29, number 35, number 38. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 7, number 11, number 22, number 29, number 35. Okay. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 19, number 21, number 39, number 42, number 45, number 47. Lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 19, number 21, number 39, number 42, number 45, number 47. Lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 24, number 32, number 39, number 42. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 24, number 32, number 39, number 42. Now tea time prediction for Sunday 28 December 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 1, number 2, number 7, number 18, number 22, number 32. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 1, number 2, number 7, number 22, number 32. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 25, number 29, number 31, number 36, number 42, number 44. Now tea time second prediction number repeat: number 25, number 29, number 31, number 36, number 42, number 44. Now tea time booster ball numbers: number 24, number 36, number 45, number 48. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 24, number 36, number 45, number 48. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.